Ubuyile. President yama-2K is back on form lo ya-Relay Mofokeng esimaziyo okhothamisa each and every team adlala against yona. That's what he did against TS Galaxy namhlanje, hitting his first professional hat-trick to go 7 goals on the league, and also including his first professional free kick. Mangaphazama, I stand to be corrected apho. Speaking of free kick yakhe, he applied the good technique. He did not go for power but placement. The timing of the ball to dip, it dipped perfectly so that uRelay Mofokeng can execute the free kick very well. In fact, zonke goals zakhe, he did not go for power but the placement yabo, good pace on the ball and applied good techniques kuzo zonke goals zakhe. So well deserved performance by uRelay Mofokeng. Ayonenqina elimnandi. Nqina lakhe is so sweet to a point whereby ibhola does not need to be fast, does not need power, but iya kule ndawo le afuna yena iye kuye. Well deserved man of the match lo mjita lo. Dlale kakuhle kakhulu namhlanje. La Relay simaziyo ke lo.